Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 sound delay fix eliminate audio lag fast. First method is audio playback diagnostic troubleshooting. Second method is change sound settings. Third method is update audio driver. Fourth method is rollback audio driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.